Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in WTC. I just need to buy something for Noah. For the gift of Noah. See ya. I hope the sparkling machine is already working. How many times I keep coming back here? I just want to drop all the empty bottles so that I can get points. I can use the points to buy something in the grocery. What I need. Happy weekend, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Most of the shop is not yet open because not yet 10 o'clock. This will be very quiet, but the Lulu is already open. See, I'm here in WTC. So, welcome to my vlog. Happy weekend, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Before I go out, I need to buy something for the birthday of Noah. A little gift. Because I'm the ninang of Noah. Need to check the machine if the machine is already... Oh, it's already working. I get my bottle. Okay, wait. I'll come back to the house. I'll come back to the house.